So now consider determinant of matrix of order 3 cross 3. So 3 cross 3 matrix contain 9 elements. So let us generally take A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it has 3 rows and 3 columns. You can expand the determinant in 6 ways. Either in 3 rows or in 3 columns. You will get the same determinant value. So I am expanding along the first row. So in the row 1 I am taking, in the R1 row I am expanding the determinant, and it is same for all the rows, and you can use the same procedure for all the columns. First consider the R1 row. So in the R1 row 3 elements are there, A11, A12, A13, and in that first element is A11. So in first step you will consider the first element A11. So then in A11 I value is 1, J value is 1. So multiply the A11 with minus, you have to multiply the elements with minus 1 power I plus J. So minus 1 power, here I value is 1 plus J value is also 1. So then A11 element lies in the first row and first column. A11 element lies in the first row and first column. So delete the first row and first column elements. You will left with 4 elements. That is A22, A23 and then A32, A33. Delete the first row and first column elements and take the determinant value of remaining 4 elements. So you have to multiply first element with minus 1 power 1 plus 1. That is I value 1, J value 1. And then delete the first row and first column elements and take the determinant of remaining 4 elements. So this is first step. And next, take the second element. Second element is A12. A12. Again you have to multiply minus 1 power I plus J. So in A12, I value is 1 plus J value is 2. So here A12 element lies in the first row and second column. A12 lies in the first row and second column. Delete the first row and second column elements and you will left with 4 elements. Consider those 4 elements. A21, A23 and then A31, A33. Take the determinant of those 4 elements. So second element A12 and multiply that with minus 1 power 1 plus 2 and delete the first row and second column, remaining 4 elements A21, A23, A31, A33. Take the determinant of those 4 elements. In third step, and the last element in the first row is A13. So A13, again take minus 1 power I plus J. Here I value is 1, J value is 3. I value is 1 and J value is 3. And again delete the rows and columns. So here A13 lies in the first row and third column. So delete the first row and third column elements. Again 4 elements will be left. So A21, A22, A31, A32. Consider the determinant of those four elements. A21, A22, A31, A32. Then you have to add the values obtained in step 1, 2 and 3. So by adding these three values, you will get the determinant of the matrix. So you have to add the whatever values obtained in step 1, 2 and 3. So that is determinant A is equal to A11 minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into determinant of A22, A23, A32, A33 plus and second one A12 into minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into determinant of A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13 into minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into determinant of A21, A22, A31, A32. You know how to find determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. It is a 2 cross 2 determinant. You know how to solve it. Diagonal, cross multiply the diagonals and subtract them. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 means minus 1 power 2. So it is even. Minus 1 power 2 means plus 1. So A11 into cross multiply the diagonals. A22, A33 minus second diagonal A32, A23 minus 1 power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus 1 power odd number is negative. So minus A12 into cross multiply. Again cross multiply the diagonals. A21, A33 minus A31, A23. Next, minus 1 power 1 plus 3 is E1. So plus 1 you will get plus A13 into A21, A32 minus second diagonal A31, A22. So this is the determinant value of the matrix 3 cross 3. And the procedure is same for all the 3 rows and all the 3 columns. You have to follow the same procedure. So let us take one example. A equal to 0, 1, 4, minus 1, 2, 3. So 1, 4, minus 2. So this is a matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. So I am expanding along the first row. So determinant A is equal to, first element is 0. So no need to, again you have to multiply. No need to multiply minus 1 power I plus j every time. So sign will be in the form plus minus plus. Alternately you have to take plus minus plus. And for second row minus plus minus. And again same for third row, plus minus plus. Take the sign like this. Plus minus plus, minus plus minus and plus minus plus. And column also same. Plus minus plus, minus plus minus and plus minus plus. So expand the matrix along first row. So here first element is 0. 0 lies in first row, first column. Delete the first row and first column elements and consider the determinant of remaining 4 elements. 2, 3, 4, minus 2. And middle sign is minus. So second element is 1. So here 1 lies in, second element lies in first row and second column. Delete the first row and second column elements and consider the determinant of remaining 4 elements. That is minus 1, 3, 1, minus 2. And third sign is plus. So next last element is 4. Third element is 4. 4 lies in first row and third column. Delete the first row and third column elements. Consider the determinant of remaining 4 elements. Minus 1, 2, 1, 4. So simplify the terms. 0 into 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 3s are. Cross multiply the diagonals. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 4 3s are 12. Minus 1 into, again cross multiply the diagonals. So first this diagonal. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. 1 into minus 1 into 3, 3. Next third element. Plus 4 into minus 1 into 4 minus 4 minus 1 into 2, 2. So minus 4 minus 12 minus 16. So 0 into 16. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. So here 0 into anything 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 4 6 are 24. So here minus is there, minus 24. So minus 24 plus 1 is equal to how much? Minus 23. So this is the determinant value of this matrix. In the exam, they may ask the question like this. Find the value of x for which determinant of 3x x1 is equal to 3 to 4 1. So here these two determinants are equal. By using that, we have to find the value of x. First, you have to expand the determinant. It is a 2 cross 2 determinant. Cross multiply the diagonal and subtract them. 3 into 1, 3 minus x into x, x square equal to 3 into 1, 3 minus 4 2s are 8. So here 3 and 3 get cancelled, minus minus get cancelled. So x square equal to 8, x equal to plus or minus root 8. So root 8 can be written as plus or minus 2 root 2. So this is the x value. First you have to cross multiply the diagonal. First we have to find the determinant value, then equate the x square equal to 8. So x value is equal to plus or minus